Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving deep into a technical topic that often confuses developer and programmers: the PHP difference between thread safe and non-thread safe configuration. Now I know the might sound a bit technical, but trust me when I say that understanding this concept is vital for anyone who wants to work with efficiency in PHP, particularly in multi-threading environment. I will be breaking it down in a way that's easy grasp, and I will also touch on debugging SDK and standard practices related to this configuration. So if you are ready, let's get started. The basic of thread safety. Let's clarify what we mean by the thread safe and non-thread safe in programming terms. Thread safe Thread safety refers to the design of the code that can safely function in multi-threaded environment where multiple threads are running simultaneously. In similar terms, imagine you are at a dinner party when multiple guests are trying to serve themselves from the same dish. If they are not careful, someone might end up spilling food everywhere. A thread safe setup ensures that only one person or thread access this at a time. In PHP, we mainly work with two configurations when dealing with environment that support multi-threading, thread safe, and non-thread safe. The major difference: thread safe is capable of handling multiple concurrent threads, while non-thread safe is optimized for single thread safe uses. This distinction play a critical role depending on how you plan to utilize PHP use case. So when should you choose a thread safe or non-thread safe? Generally if you are deploying your PHP application in a web server environment that support thread like Apache with the worker in npm or multi-thread environment, it's wise to stick with thread safe PHP. On other hand, if you are using a more common setup like Apache with prefer pre-fork npm, or if you are running on an optional server that calls PHP through CLI script without any multi-threading, then non-thread safe can provide better performance. That's because it doesn't have the overhead of handling thread safety feature that you might not need it. Part 3, debugging. Now let's talk about the debugging. Regardless of whether you are using a thread safe or non-thread safe, debugging is an essential practice. However, thread safe installation can complete the debugging process a bit. This is because the multi-threading can lead to more complex race conditions and bugs that can be hard to trace. Take it from me, investing time in tools like Xdebug or Gent Debugger can save your hertages down road. The just remember, in multi-threaded environments, shared resource can lead to unpredictable behavior if not correctly managed. You will want to make sure you are on the top of your error logging and monitoring the catch and snaky issue that crop up. SDK and standard. Next up, SDK or software development kit. If you are building an application using PHP and you plan to use library or framework that require multiple threads, ensure that they are designed for thread safe use. Many popular SDKs will offer both thread safe and non-thread safe versions, so make sure choose the right one based on your environment. Edge of standard adherence to PHP coding standard is crucial regardless of your configuration. A sound coding practice will prevent the unexpected issue, especially when your multi-threading implementation is in play. Also, remember to stay updated with the latest PHP versions. PHP has made significant improvements and optimizations, so you will benefit from features that enhance both performance and security. In conclusion, understanding the distinction between PHP thread safe and non-thread safe configuration is essential for every PHP developer. Choose the right configuration based on your project requirements and the environment it will in. Always invest in effective debugging practice and ensure your SDK align your configuration to ensure a smooth development experience. I hope this explanation clar- clarified your understanding of PHP thread safety. If you found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up